In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF in Dorik. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed a PDF on your page using an iframe so visitors can view it right inside your site. Start by heading to the Dorik login page. Sign into your account the way you normally do. If you're prompted to continue with a specific account, go ahead and choose the one associated with your Dorik workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, find the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the visual editor where you can add and arrange content. In the editor, open the Elements panel and click Add Element. You'll see a list of components you can drop onto your page. Look for the iframe element. Click it and drag it to the exact spot on your page where you want the PDF to appear. You can place it inside a section or column, just like any other block. When it's in position, select the iframe so its settings are visible in the right-hand panel. You'll see a field where you can paste a URL. Paste the direct link to your PDF here. For the best results, make sure this link points directly to a .pdf file and that it's publicly accessible, otherwise visitors won't be able to see it. If your file is stored in cloud storage, ensure sharing is set so anyone with the link can view. Avoid links that open a preview page instead of the file itself. A clean, direct URL works most reliably within an iframe. With the URL in place, the PDF will load inside the iframe. Now fine-tune the layout. Adjust the width so it fits your design. A full width look is often as simple as setting the iframe to 100% width, which helps it adapt to different screen sizes. If you prefer a fixed layout, you can set a pixel width that matches your content area. Next, set the height to make the document comfortable to read. A taller height, such as several hundred pixels, reduces scrolling and gives the PDF room to breathe. Preview the result and tweak until the content feels balanced. It's also a good idea to check tablet and mobile breakpoints in the editor so the PDF remains readable on smaller screens. That's all there is to it. You logged in, opened your site, added an iframe, pasted your PDF link, and adjusted the width and height for a clean, responsive embed. Now your visitors can view your PDF directly on the page without downloading it first.